What's up guys, welcome to another episode of LWC Stack. So guys, in today's example we will learn how we can use multiple templates in a Lightning Web Components. Guys, by multiple templates I mean we won't be displaying and hiding content from a single page. Instead of that, we will be having multiple HTML page in a single Lightning component, and we will be displaying those pages based on the user requirement. Like you must have seen at many places, let's say if I talk about LinkedIn or maybe Facebook, so there are different layout based on user and admin roles. So in LinkedIn also, if you're having a professional page, then you will be having a separate layout to view as admin, and you will be having separate layout to view as member also. And the same way, the same functionality we are having in Facebook also. Okay, so I have already created the component, guys, just to save the time. So let me just show the component and explain the code itself. Okay, so guys, this is my component, which is switch template, and in this switch template component, as you can see, there are three HTML files: template 1, template 2, and template 3. Let me show it to you one by one. So guys, this is template 1. In this template 1, I'm just having a image here which is already saved in my static resource. So basically I'm having 3 images in my static resource, and I have used the image 1 here, and underneath that I'm having 3 buttons here: switch to template 1, switch to template 2, and switch to template 3. And on that click of those buttons, I'm calling a JavaScript function which is in a common file, which is switch template.javascript. Okay, let me move to template 2 now. So in template 2, I'm having same functionality, but this time I'm having a different image. You must have seen the image src variable name is different here. In template 1, it was sflogo1, and in template 2, it is sflogo2. Okay, and in template 3 also, we are having similar functionality, just a different logo, just to give a different look and feel to it. Let's move to the JavaScript part now. Okay, so guys, in JavaScript part, I have imported 3 of my HTML pages here. You have to import the pages first. Okay, and after that I have imported my 3 static resource images here. So my image name was Salesforce 1, Salesforce 2, Salesforce 3, in which I'm having few images related to Salesforce. Okay, and in my JavaScript function, I'm having a variable here which is show template, and in show template I have set the default value to 1. So basically it will display the template 1 by default. Okay, and I'm having 3 parameters here: sflogo1, sflogo2, sflogo3. In sflogo1, I'm having my first image; in sflogo2, I'm having my second image; and in sflogo3, I'm having the third image. Okay, and let me explain this render functionality later. Let's move to the function first. So as you have seen 3 buttons, so those were common 3 buttons on all 3 pages, and we were having a common functionality on all 3 buttons. So here in show 1, I'm just setting up the show template value to 1, which will be by default, of course. In show 2, I'm setting up the show template value to 2, and in show 3, I'm setting up the show template value to 3. Okay, so guys, to render different template, I have used a render function here, and in this function I'm just checking if the template value is 1, then it will return template 1, okay, which is this page. If template value is 2, then it will return template 2, the template2.html page. And if template value show template is equal to 3, then it will return 3, which is template3.html. So guys, using this render functionality, you can just render different pages based on the requirement. Maybe you can have multiple buttons to switch between the user and admin template. So there could be a different page for user layout, and there could be a different page for admin layout. Okay, so that's how we are switching the template. Let me show you the output and open my default org here. Okay, so this is my default org. All right, let me open the application now. Okay, so guys, for this demo, I have created a separate tab for this because I will be having few images there, and the image size was similar to my screen size, so that's why I thought it would be better if I could create a separate tab, and this is a single layout tab, so there will be only one column in this component. Okay, so guys, this is my lightning web component. So here, as you can see, we are on template 1 right now, and underneath that you can see there are 3 buttons. So if I will click on switch to template 2, then it will just render the template 2.html page. Okay, so this is my template 2.html page, and if I will click on switch to template 3, then it will render the template 3.html here. Okay, so this is my template 3.html, guys. So guys, that's how you can just switch different templates, switch to multiple templates. Maybe you need to create the layout based on the users or maybe the admin login. Okay, so guys, that's it for today, and I will be having complete code on my blog also, which is salesforcebolt.com, so you can just directly go there and check that out. Okay, and guys, if you like today's video, a subscribe to the channel will be awesome. I'll see you in the next one. Thanks for watching.